Howdy, my name is Kate Wieters, and this is my project over squids called Squidalicious. Its scientific name is Tethudia, and it lives in warm or cold bodies of water, depending on the species. They are very flexible in where they can live in the ocean, which accounts for when their food source moves, they also move with them. So it's a good thing that they're versatile and can live in different temperatures of water. They prefer salt water, which is why they're found in only major oceans. They are also found near the bottom of the ocean where they can be undetected most of the time and can stay away from predators. They are, as shown in my graph on the right, they're mostly found in the North Atlantic and regions of the South Atlantic, but are genuinely spread out throughout most of the ocean because of how versatile they are, and they can move towards where the food sources go. So how it gets food. First, it stalks its prey, quietly sneaks up on the prey, reaches out with its tentacles, grabs it, and then is torn apart and consumed while it's still alive. I have a drawing of it on the left. You can see its suction cups where it grabs its prey. Then it consumes them. As I've drawn on the left, it has beak, teeth, and a tongue. Obviously, the beak will consume the food. The tongue helps shred it, while the tentacles continuously pull it towards its mouth and keep it there. Its prey is mostly small fish, crabs, shrimp, and even small squid. Now we have its predator-prey relationship. Its main predators include fish, sharks, sperm whale, and also other squids. Squids also cannot detect high-frequency sounds, which may be the reason why they fall prey to so many animals. Squids are also hunted by humans. And then its prey. We have multiple species of fish that it consumes. Also crustaceans, which have exoskeletons and appendages in a segmented body. That's how you separate those. That includes shrimp, crawfish, lobster, and then also it will eat small squid. Some evolved characteristics. First, we have its eye. So octopus, squids, and cuttlefish all noculuses are differently shaped. The octopus has a rectangular pupil, cuttlefish has a W-shaped pupil, and squid's pupil is circular. So its circular pupil is evolved. Also, their pupils dilate and constrict with different light intensities, which is very useful for when you're deep under the ocean and there's not very much light. Squid are also colorblind. Then we have propulsion. They undulate, which helps keep their buoyancy intact under the water, and also their ammonium-based chemicals in them helped with buoyancy also. And then circulatory, squids specifically have 3 hearts. 2 branchial hearts push oxygen-depleted blood through the gills, and a systematic heart pumps oxygenated blood throughout the body. Now we have their tree of life. As you can see, it's in the cephalopod family, and then we get into the decapodiformers, and here we have all of the squids. Kind of where it is on the tree of life. The kingdom is Animalia. The phylum is Mollusca, which we see on the right side. Clams, snails, and obviously squid fall under this category, and they are closely related to Annelida, which is earthworms and leeches. Squid are also under the class cephalopod, like I said in the previous slide. Here we have a little video of a squid engulfing its prey. It's holding the fish with its tentacles and pushing it towards its beak while it is getting eaten. So kind of the importance of squid. It has it's a predator to many invasive species, which helps balance out the food chain. Its prey is sperm whale, sharks, and larger squid, so it becomes a food source for those certain larger animals. And then also commercial fishing. Squid produce really, really fast, so that allows for it to be a sustainable option. Also, squid we eat as calamari, and can be very expensive. 32 million pounds would equal about $16 million. And also we can extract their ink as natural food coloring and flavoring, particularly in Mediterranean and Japanese cuisine. So we can also use their ink for that. Here are my sources for my presentation. Thank you so much.